Gold, a word that has resonated through the ages, symbolizing not just wealth, but power, beauty, and the very essence of human ambition. The very word evokes images of ancient treasures hidden away in the depths of history, waiting to be discovered by those daring enough to seek them. Royal adornment, where kings and queens have draped themselves in its splendor, showcasing their dominance and divine right to rule. For millennia, this precious metal has captivated civilizations, from the ancient Egyptians who believed it to be the flesh of the gods, to the Incas who called it the sweat of the sun. Serving as a universal symbol of wealth and prosperity, gold has been the cornerstone of economies, the standard by which value is measured. Today, in 2025, gold's allure remains undiminished, its luster as bright as ever. The year engraved on a gold bar is not just a mark of time, but a testament to its enduring legacy. Its price soaring to new heights as investors seek refuge from a tumultuous world, a world where uncertainty is the only certainty. The reasons for this surge are manifold, a confluence of cultural, economic, and geopolitical factors converging to drive up the demand for this precious metal. From the instability of global markets to the geopolitical tensions that ripple across continents, gold stands as a beacon of stability. From the bustling streets of Mumbai, where gold is not just an investment but a tradition, a part of the cultural fabric, to the imposing vaults of central banks where nations store their wealth, securing their future against the unknown. The world is turning to gold as a beacon of stability in uncertain times. In a landscape where currencies can falter and economies can crumble, gold remains a steadfast guardian of value, a timeless asset that transcends borders and generations. In many cultures, particularly in Asia, gold is deeply intertwined with tradition and heritage. It has been revered for centuries, symbolizing wealth, prosperity, and divine blessings. It's not merely a commodity, but an integral part of social customs and celebrations. From birth to marriage and even in death, gold plays a pivotal role in marking significant life events.
This cultural significance is a powerful driver of demand, influencing not just individual purchases, but also the broader economic landscape. Particularly in countries like India and China, where gold purchases are often associated with auspicious occasions like weddings and festivals. These traditions have been passed down through generations, ensuring that the demand for gold remains robust. In India, for instance, gold is considered a symbol of purity and good fortune. During weddings, brides are often adorned with elaborate gold jewelry, which is believed to bring prosperity and happiness to the marriage.
This inherent cultural affinity for gold ensures a consistent baseline demand, making it a stable investment. In China, gold is often gifted during the Lunar New Year as a symbol of luck and wealth, providing a steady undercurrent to the global gold market. The cultural practices surrounding gold create a unique and enduring demand that is less susceptible to market fluctuations.
As populations grow and prosperity rises, the tradition of investing in gold continues to thrive. This is particularly evident in emerging economies where the middle class is expanding. So too does the appetite for gold, driven by both cultural significance and increasing disposable incomes. People are more inclined to invest in gold as a means of preserving wealth and celebrating their heritage, further fueling its upward trajectory. The timeless allure of gold, deeply rooted in tradition and culture, ensures that it remains a valuable and sought-after asset across the globe. Central banks, the custodians of nations' financial reserves, are increasingly turning to gold as a hedge against economic uncertainty. Concerned about inflation, currency fluctuations, and geopolitical risks, these institutions are bolstering their gold reserves at an unprecedented rate.
This institutional demand is a major force propelling gold's price upward. As central banks diversify their holdings, reducing reliance on traditional reserve currencies, gold's safe haven appeal shines even brighter, drawing in investors seeking stability and security.
The geopolitical landscape of 2025 is fraught with tension and uncertainty. Trade wars, regional conflicts, and political polarization have cast a pall over the global economy, making investors skittish and risk-averse. In these turbulent times, gold emerges as a safe haven, a tangible asset that holds its value amidst market volatility. Unlike stocks, bonds, or even currencies, gold is not subject to the whims of governments or the performance of corporations. Its value is intrinsic, rooted in its history as a store of wealth and a hedge against inflation. Section 5. Experts weigh in, a chorus of bullish voices. Financial analysts and market observers are overwhelmingly bullish on gold's prospects. The sentiment is not just a fleeting trend, but a well-founded belief rooted in a variety of economic indicators and global events. As we delve deeper into the reasons behind this bullish outlook, it becomes clear that gold's allure as a safe haven asset is stronger than ever.
Citing a confluence of factors, persistent inflation, currency fluctuations, and geopolitical uncertainties, experts believe that gold's bull run is far from over. Persistent inflation erodes the value of fiat currencies, making gold an attractive alternative. Currency fluctuations, especially in major economies, add another layer of uncertainty, driving investors towards the stability that gold offers. Geopolitical uncertainties, ranging from trade wars to regional conflicts, further bolster gold's status as a reliable store of value.
Gold is the ultimate safe haven asset, says renowned economist Dr. Elena Ramirez. Her analysis points to historical data showing that during times of economic distress, gold prices tend to surge. This trend is not just a modern phenomenon, but has been observed for centuries. Dr. Ramirez emphasizes that gold's intrinsic value and limited supply make it a unique asset that can withstand economic shocks better than most other investments.
In a world awash in debt and facing unprecedented risks, investors are increasingly turning to gold as a store of value and a hedge against financial turmoil. The global debt levels have reached staggering heights, and the potential for financial crises looms large. Investors, both individual and institutional, are seeking refuge in gold to protect their wealth. Central banks, too, are increasing their gold reserves, signaling a strong institutional belief in gold's enduring value.
This sentiment is echoed by leading investment banks, with Goldman Sachs predicting gold prices to reach record highs in 2025, driven by unabated demand from central banks and investors seeking safety and diversification. The investment bank's forecast is based on comprehensive analysis of market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical factors. As more investors flock to gold, its price is expected to continue its upward trajectory, solidifying its position as a cornerstone of financial security in uncertain times. Section 6. Gold, more than just a safe haven. While gold's safe haven status is undeniable, its appeal extends beyond mere wealth preservation. Increasingly, investors are recognizing gold's potential as a strategic asset, capable of generating returns in both bullish and bearish markets. This shift in perception is fueled by the growing realization that gold is not just a defensive asset, but also a powerful portfolio diversifier. By adding gold to their investment mix, investors can potentially reduce overall portfolio volatility and enhance long-term returns. Section 7. Beyond beauty. Gold's industrial footprint. Gold's value extends far beyond its aesthetic and investment appeal. This versatile metal plays a crucial role in various industries, from electronics and aerospace to medicine and dentistry. Its unique properties, excellent conductivity resistance to corrosion and biocompatibility, make it an indispensable component in smartphones, satellites, medical devices, and countless other technologies that shape our modern world. Section 8. Gazing into the golden future. Predicting the future of any market, especially one as dynamic as gold, is a fool's errand. However, given the current economic climate and the confluence of factors driving demand, it's reasonable to expect gold to maintain its upward trajectory in the foreseeable future. As long as inflation persists, geopolitical tensions simmer, and central banks continue to accumulate gold, the precious metal is poised to remain a coveted asset, its gleam undimmed by the passage of time. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring gleam of gold. In a world grappling with uncertainty and volatility, gold stands tall as a beacon of stability and enduring value. Its allure, woven into the fabric of human civilization for millennia, transcends cultural boundaries and economic cycles. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, one thing remains certain: gold's gleam, far from fading, shines brighter than ever, a testament to its enduring power in a world hungry for security and prosperity.